No issues. Okay, so meanwhile, kids, we are discussing about the special move pawn promotion. Okay, for that, earlier in our earlier sessions, we have seen the relative value of pieces, right? All of you know the value of pieces.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and why am I writing it? Just
Yeah, sir. Now I can see the full screen, sir.
okay, very good. Okay, a revision purpose I am writing this. Okay, so all of you know pawn has value 1, knight has value 3, bishop 3, rook 5 and queen 9. Okay, so if you compare pawn with rest of the pieces, you can surely say that it is the weakest piece among all, right? It is the
Yeah,
weakest. Why?
sir.
Because the value is only 1. And because of that, what happens is during the play, okay, if you look at this, okay, during the play, majority of the pieces, majority of the times actually we give up our pawns, okay, but fortunately we have got a special power, okay, to the pawn. Special power is given to the pawn that if it reaches, okay, the home square for pawn is, now I'm talking for black side, okay, so it is a7. So from a7 it is coming to a5, a4, a3, a2, and now it is at the stage where it will be getting to the last rank, okay, last rank from black side actually, okay. So when it reaches to the last rank, okay, you have got right to promote it to any of the piece of your choice, okay, when the pawn reaches, okay, this is a special this is the only, you know, special power, okay, pawn has got the special power that when it reaches to the last square, okay, or last rank, it can be promoted, okay. I'm using the word promoted. Why is it called as promoted? You must have heard the word promotion, okay, getting the level, say one
Yes, sir.
level or two levels up than whatever your current level is, okay. So for example, from your second standard, when you get all your results passed, okay, so you get promoted to third standard. From third standard you get promoted to the fourth standard, right? So that is how the pawn gets promoted to any other piece of higher value, okay. And what other piece? Actually knight, bishop, rook or queen, okay. Make a note that pawn cannot be promoted to king. King is not part of this promotion process, okay. You cannot promote it and take another king, okay, but you can promote it to pawn, knight, sorry, not pawn, actually knight, bishop, rook or queen, okay. So this is called as pawn promotion. Understood? When the pawn reaches to the last square, okay, once it reaches there, you have got right to promote it to the piece of your choice, okay. For example, now I took queen, okay, and now because of taking queen, can you see there is a check coming to the king,
Yes, sir.
right?
Even if you got rook, there would be a check.
Right. Even if we take rook, that there would be a check, okay. But obviously now why I took queen in this case? Because if you look at 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10, okay, so there are 10 points for white, okay. Yes, Hesha, do you have any question?
Yes. If we have, if we already have a queen and we and the pawn goes and on the white side, can the pawn become the queen?
Yes, good question. Okay, so kids, Hesha's question is, if we already have a queen on the board, now in this case, let me put the board again. Okay, suppose you have got a queen here. Okay, already queen is there. So can we promote it to another queen? That is the question Hesha has. Okay, so answer to her question is yes. Even if you have one queen or say multiple queens, can you see you have got multiple queens with you? Okay, but still you can promote it to the queen. Okay, so to answer to your question, Hesha, yes, at a given point of time, one can promote as many as 8 queens with, I mean, original one. So total 9 queens can be on the board, to answer your question. But logically, if you ask me, is it really required? No, even 1 or 2 queens are sufficient, right? What is our objective? Our objective to play chess is to win the game, right? So just promoting the pawns and keeping it like keep on going. Like now let me put other way around. For example, these pieces are not there. Okay. Now tell me one thing. If you promote another queen here, is there any point? Okay, you already have sufficient material with you. Okay. Even if it is not there, with these 2 queens, you can checkmate. This is, can you see it is checkmated now, right? So do you really need 9 queens? Not at all. And even if you try to, at one point, what will happen actually? Suppose you go on promoting. Now let me put some example here. Suppose, assume that all these pawns are there, which are on the verge of promotion. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just diverting from the topic, but because it is related to pawn promotion, it is okay. We can discuss. Okay. Suppose the king is here. Okay. Now you promoted this to queen. Okay. He played this. You promoted this to queen again. The here. Okay. He played this. Okay. I'm just making the moves fast. Okay. Because it is mandatory that one move must be done from each side. Okay. So I'm just going on promoting. Now it comes here. You promote. Okay. Now what you did, you promoted this one. Okay. And he played this.
So, but then he is giving chance. Now he knows that that this pawn is keeping on that opposite person is keeping on promoting it into queen. So, sir, in the next move, maybe that pawn the queen it can capture the king.
Yeah. So I mean, this is how it is happening. But I'm just assuming actually. Suppose there is another scenario. Suppose it is like this. Okay. This is promoted. Okay. Suppose this was the pawn here. Okay. And you promoted it now to the queen. Now can you see, is there a place, safe place for the king to play now? Can he come here? No. Can he come here? Can he come here? Can he come here? Can he come here?
No, sir.
Another
No,
question.
Sir.
Has the black given check?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is
No,
called
sir.
as stalemate. Okay. Stalemate means a draw. Mate without check is draw. We already saw when we talked about checkmate, right? Or not yet? Or otherwise we
No,
will
sir.
cover.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will cover it in future sessions.
In further,
But for
yeah,
now, just
further
understand.
sessions.
For now, just understand. If you don't give the check to the king, okay, and it gets mate, that is a stalemate, and stalemate is a draw. Okay. Now, what is the use of promoting these many queens? if you could not checkmate. Okay, so for that purpose, even though answer of Hesha's question is can we promote more than one queen, answer is yes, we can promote as many as 9 queens. Okay, 8 because there are 8 pawns and original 1. Okay, so 1 plus 8 can be on the board, but provided you have to take care that your opponent's king is not getting stalemated. Okay, so for that purpose actually I took this example. Now let's go back to our uh, topic. The topic is what? Pawn promotion. Okay, so did you understood what is pawn promotion? When the pawn reaches to the last rank, it can be promoted to any piece of your choice. Okay, knight, bishop, rook, or queen. Yes, Eva, you have any question?
No, so I just wanted to tell you something. I played just a chess game on this program, on this only, the Lichess,
Mhm.
and I won with the computer.
Okay, very good. Keep practicing. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Now let me take example. So why is it called pawn promotion? Because you get the piece of higher value. Okay, now there are two concepts that we are going to learn here actually: pawn promotion and under promotion. Okay, so basically when you promote, okay, when you promote your pawn, let me remove all this. Okay, when you promote the pawn to queen, okay, queen, why queen? Because queen is the piece of highest value. Okay, so when you promote your pawn to the queen, it is called as promotion. Okay, whereas if you are promoting it to any other piece, suppose rook, now rook is of lesser value compared to queen. Okay, you had chance to promote it to queen, but you promoted it to the lesser value. Okay, there must be some purpose. I will talk about why do you need to take rook and not queen. Okay, but for purpose you took rook, or maybe for that matter you took knight or bishop. Okay, because rook, bishop and knight, all these three are of lesser value than the queen. So this kind of promotion is called as under promotion. Okay, so under promotion means what? When you take, when you promote your pawn to the piece of lesser value than queen, it is called as under promotion. Okay, and pawn promotion means what? When you promote your pawn to queen, it is called as pawn promotion. Ideally, the pawn promotion and under promotion both are promotion only, because all those are of higher value than pawn. Okay, but just because you had that opportunity to take the queen, but for purpose you took the piece of lesser value. Okay, now let me show you example in which case actually you will do the promotion, that is you take the queen, and in which case you take the other uh, pieces. Okay, now the earlier example that we saw, okay, where you had, there was a pawn, okay, and there were multiple pawns, and we had the bishop, knight. Okay, so in this case when you promoted you took queen. Okay, and I told you the reason why queen, because if you calculate the total of this it comes around 10. Okay, now to fight back with these pieces you need at least the equivalent value, right? So 9 is because very close to 10, it makes sense, and we cannot take more than 9 because queen is the highest valued piece. Okay, so for that purpose we promoted it to queen here. Now let me take another example. Okay, look at the board position, guys. Okay, Eva and Sri Purna, are you there? Can you start your videos?
Yeah, sir. Means I was not able to. I was trying. I am able to now on the video.
Okay, no issues. Okay, now look at this example. Okay, white to play. What will you play? Can you look at the board and tell?
Yes, sir.
If it is white to play, what will you play?
Sir, a pawn.
Pawn you will play, right? And what?
Yes.
You will promote it to what? Because it is going to the last rank now, right?
Yeah. Yeah. We will promote it into a queen.
Okay, let us take Sri Purna's suggestion. Let's promote it to the queen. Okay, I have promoted it to the queen, and now from black side I played here. I am giving check to the king.
And now we are capturing the rook by the
Alright.
queen.
Or then
Okay.
the queen can capture the rook.
Yeah, you're right. Queen can capture the rook. But now tell me, now it is black's turn. Where will the king play?
Sir, the black king will do castling. Means it will go to at back of white king.
How? It cannot go here, right? Because there is
Yeah.
a check coming. It cannot
Yeah.
go here because there is a check coming from king. It cannot go
Yeah.
here. There is a check, right? So it is a stalemate.
Yeah.
Now, can you see, because we promoted it to the queen, it got stalemated. Okay. Now, instead of this, let us revert it again. So you need to think of before actually playing this. Okay. Because now on this screen, I can show you that what is happening. We can see. Okay. But over the board in
Sir,
actual
we don't
tournament, can you see,
stalemate
do
when-
that? Yes, Eva.
Sir, we can also choose the rook. in this
All right,
case.
let us see what happens if you choose the rook. Okay, another alternative is rook. Okay, I took rook, he gave check, I captured it. Now is this king stalemated? No,
No, sir.
he can come here now, right? Correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, but what is the loss if you're stalemated?
Stalemate is a draw. Okay, it's not a win. You don't win
Yes,
the,
sir.
yeah, you cannot win the game if it is stalemate. So it's a
Yes,
loss,
sir.
right?
Sir,
a
but
loss,
what is the loss in it?
That's what I'm saying. When you win, is the win good or a draw good? When
Sir,
you
the win is good.
when you win the match,
Yeah, win
okay,
is
you
good.
get 1 point. When the match is drawn, you get half point only. Okay, so obviously draw is not good compared to win, right? So that's the loss. Okay, now when you when he plays the king here, it's a checkmate now. Can you see? I get check. The king cannot come here. King cannot come here. King cannot come here because this king is controlling these squares, right? Can you see? So long story short, there are some examples. Okay, there are some situations in which not always queen is helpful. Queen is sometimes troublesome for us. Okay, now you might say, sir, we will not capture the rook in that case. Okay, suppose I took the queen here, okay, and you gave me the check. Now if you suggest, sir, let us not capture the rook, move over king, so that he will have the place too. Okay, but now in this case your queen is lost and you are losing the game now, the game which you was supposed to win. Okay, because of the wrong decision that we took of pawn promotion to the queen. Okay, you are losing, either losing or draw. Okay, If you capture it, it's a draw. King cannot come here, king cannot come here, king cannot come here. It's a draw,
Stalemate.
stalemate, right? Okay, so understood the situation where you are promoting the pawn. Okay, so this kind of promotion where you had opportunity to promote, okay, you had opportunity to promote it to queen, but on purpose, okay, because you could see that if I promote it to the queen, if he gives check to me and I capture it, the king will get stalemated. Okay, so let me not take the queen and promote it to the rook. Okay, now I promoted it to the rook. Now he cannot give me check. Okay, if he gives,
So because the rook
I
will kill it.
capture. Okay, and next move it is a checkmate. Okay, and if he doesn't give the check, what happens? Suppose if he decides not to give check, he decides to go somewhere, something like this. Okay, what else he can do actually? Either he can go somewhere. Okay, if he goes there, it's a check. Okay, his king cannot come here, cannot come here, right? So he has no choice but to bring the rook in between, and then game is lost for black, right? So you understood for this particular scenario or for this particular situation that we discussed. Okay, in this case, the pawn promotion to the rook is a
It's more
good
valuable.
solution. Okay, it's a good solution compared to promoting it to the queen. Okay, so this is called as under promotion. Is the concept clear? Is the difference clear between promotion and under promotion?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hesha,
Yes, sir.
did you understood?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, let me take another example now. Okay, where is it? Yes, can you see? Can you guys see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, again now white to play. Okay, what will you play?
Sir, in one move you can do two things, sir. You instead of doing the pawn promotion direct, you can capture the rook and do the promotion, sir.
Right, can we do the direct promotion? No, if you
Yes,
do
sir, you
it,
can do the
if you do it,
No,
the
sir.
king will capture, the rook will capture, right? So you can do, but it will be of no use. It will immediately get captured. Okay, but when
Yeah.
you have opportunity to capture, you know, pawn captures diagonal, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
It's next
Yes, sir.
square when it is diagonal, right? So you better capture it. Now question is, after capturing, the pawn is getting promoted at the same time, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So which piece you
Yes.
want to place there, you need to decide first.
So
Okay,
we'll
are
go
you
to
going to
F3.
are you going to take the queen? If yes, tell me why. If no, tell me why.
Sir, to capture the rook. Sir,
Yes,
so to capture the rook,
and promote it to what?
queen.
Okay, you are suggesting to take the queen. Okay, let's take the queen. Okay,
So he wants the queen only.
yeah.
No,
So
sir. I don't think so. I'll take the queen. Sir, I'm saying no.
okay, suppose if you take the queen, it will give
Sir,
you
then
the
in
check
the
now. Yeah.
sir, not
It's a
that,
check.
sir. Sir, suppose the piece moves somewhere else, another piece moves of the black, and then, sir, the queen has no choice, but it cannot move anywhere, sir. Otherwise, in the next move, it will be captured somehow.
How?
No, it will not get captured as such directly. Okay, but it is not a good suggestion. Okay, good. It is not a good decision as such. Now tell me why actually. Let's go back. there is a rook here. Sorry, there is a rook here. Yeah, and you had a pawn. Okay. Now look at this, kids. I am promoting it to knight. Can you see what is happening?
Yes, sir. It's giving check to the king, and it
And
can also
capture.
kill the queen.
Right. Okay. If I take knight, what is happening instead of queen? Okay. Was the queen capturing the queen? No. When we
No, sir.
promoted it to the queen, it could not capture the queen. But now, because I am delivering a check, at the same time I am capturing the queen. Okay. When the check is there, what you need to do? You need to move the king.
So the king will
Okay.
move, and then we can also kill the queen.
All right. Now you captured. Now calculate. 3 plus 4, 5, 6. Total 6 points are there with white. And there are only 2 points with black. Who is winning now? Obviously white.
So white.
Right? Let's continue this game. I'll show you what happens. Okay. Now he played this. You played this. You played this. Okay. Now what will you do? This pawn is in danger. Okay. If you try to save it and attack over here, okay, suppose you played this, the pawn is captured, other pawn, right? Because both pawns were in danger at that time. Okay. And now this pawn, even if we don't care for this pawn will automatically get blocked by our white pawn here. Okay. Now it's black to play. Black will play here. Do I need to worry? Let him capture, no issues. Okay. He cannot capture, he will have to push. Okay, that's fine. Captured. White to play, right? Played.
So how did the pawn move back?
Sorry.
Sir, you moved
Yes.
the pawn back. How?
Which pawn? This one or white?
Sir, you moved the pawn back.
I am not understanding what you are saying
It
actually.
behind.
Eva, what are you saying? I am not understanding actually.
No, sir, it was here. You moved it here. Pawn
Can you talk address?
to a b6.
This pawn, right? No, it is coming one square only, right? I'm not. Anyways, so if he takes
sir,
here,
How is it coming behind?
falling behind means the king was
Pawn
moved,
can
right?
only-
King moved,
No,
right?
sir, but pawns. No, sir, you were moving the pawn behind. Pawns can only move forward, right?
Which pawn is going behind? Black one.
Yes, sir.
Black is coming from top, right? Black's home square is always A7, B7, C7. Can you see the rank?
Yes,
Right?
I thought you were moving behind.
Yeah, white is going in this direction. Black is coming in this direction. Okay.
sir,
Don't get confused. Yes, Sanvi.
sir, actually, I just found out something. Sir, when you were playing the white, sir, can you go back? Like one move behind or two moves, I think so, sir.
Okay. Here.
So can you go two moves behind? Sir, the king was, sir, the king, so the king was near the one pawn was there behind the
Right.
king.
Yeah. King
So,
captured this pawn, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. What is your question?
No, sir, I got mixed up. But sir, if that pawn was any other piece of, like, for example, a queen or the rook, then that piece could have But then in that case, then the king is giving checkmate to itself.
Right. King, because it was pawn, then only king could come, right? For other piece, it could not have come. Okay.
Yes.
Now we saw this. Actually, it was coming here. The pawn was here. Okay. Now see, even if I surrender my knight here, okay, I captured the pawn. He captured the knight. Okay. It's okay for me now because I know in one move, next move, I am promoting my pawn, and now this time I will take the queen. Is there any reason for me to take the under promotion now? No, I'll go for pawn promotion only. Right, Hesha? Your understanding? We are doing in this example, we promoted the pawn 2 times. Okay. So first time we took knight. Okay. And now we are promoting it to queen because now there is no reason for to take the piece of lower value. Okay.
Under promotion.
Yeah, now it comes here. Now you know how to checkmate actually, right? So it is pretty easy. So you just block the line here. Okay, anyways, we are going to learn the end game techniques actually in which one rook mate, one queen mate will be taught. But for now, I'll just do it quickly so that you understand. Okay. Now it cannot come here. Okay. I just blocked it. It played here. I'll bring my king now for help. See, first time I am moving my king. Had I touched my king so far? No. So in short, unless and until it is not required, don't move the king. Because in double quotes, he is the king. Okay. All other pieces does the work. King just sits and relax, kind of, unless and until it is required. Now queen said, I need your help. Please come. Okay. So this king suppose now goes here. King comes here. Okay. Goes here, comes here. Now see, when two kings are in front of each other, okay, what you can do, you can, I mean, with the help of this king, you can push this king aside. Okay, now because of this king, these three squares are blocked. Okay, this queen has blocked entire row here. This queen has blocked this. Okay, now this king, opponent king has no choice but to go in this direction only. It comes here. Now with the help of king, I have support now, right? Okay, I push it to the last two files only, A file and B file. Okay, now it can go here. Yeah, so let it go there. Okay, now can it come here? No, it cannot cross this. It is blocked, right?
So it can come here.
It cannot come here as well actually because it is also blocked. Okay, so it can either come here or here. Okay, so he chose to come here. Okay, now what I will do, maybe I can block it in this way. Okay, let it come here. Now see, the king cannot go here. He has no choice but to come here. And as soon as the opposition happens, when the two kings are in front of each other, you just give check from the last rank. It's a checkmate now. Okay.
Sir, can I tell how I did checkmate when I was playing?
That's fine. Let me finish, Shiva. Okay. So today we learned about the pawn promotion. Is it clear? Okay. Important topic. It's a special move. Okay. Pawn promotion. When it reaches to the last square, we promote it to the queen, rook, bishop, or knight. Okay. Of your choice. And then we saw example of pawn promotion and under promotion. Right. I took 3 different examples to explain the concept, and I hope all of you understood it. Okay. So we will stop here for the day. Okay. Eva, if you want to talk, you can join back. Okay. If you want to show that example or any other queries you have. Okay, kids. we will stop here for the day. This was about the pawn promotion concept. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Hesha, is it clear? You like it? Okay. Sri Purna, Sanvi.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. We will stop here, kids. Okay.